WhatsApp deleted messages recovery. Once you're on WhatsApp, in the top right, click on the three dots. Now you want to click on settings. Now you want to click on chats. Then you want to scroll down and then click on chat backup. This is assuming that you made a backup with your Google account. So you want to click on Google account and then sign in with the Google account that you made a backup with. After you sign in, your chats should then be restored. If you can't do that, then you want to go to the Play Store or the App Store and then search for WhatsApp Chat Recovery. You can try any of these apps right here. So just go through the list, see which ones have some good reviews, and then just try the apps. I'm going to install this one. I want to recover my messages, so I'm going to click on this. Now on this specific app, it's saying recover deleted messages. It's saying I need to open the WhatsApp chat with the contact, tap on the three dots, unmute notifications, then I wait for the deleted messages to show up. So this is the app I downloaded. I showed it earlier in the video. You can go back to it if you want to see it. But just try some of the applications that will come up, see what it tells you to do, and you can try that.